together we achieve. Morning everybody, I hope you're okay at home and everybody's still safe. Nice to see you. The sun's out again today. I'm not outside in that rain. I hope you've had a good week. Okay, this is where I work at home. This is my desk. Okay, shall I sing a good morning song? Good morning to everyone, to everyone, to everyone. Good morning to everyone, good morning to you. La 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 la, good morning to you. Hope you enjoy the assembly.
Hi everybody, hope you're all okay. It's a very wet day out there, so I hope you're either enjoying yourselves indoors or getting out in your wellies and enjoying splashing in the puddles. Hope to see you all soon. Bye!
Hello everyone, hope you're all okay.
Hi everyone, miserable weather today, but I hope you're all doing something fun and see you soon. Bye!
Hello everyone, hope you're okay.
Hello everybody, what lovely weather today, look at the rain. I hope the sun comes back out soon. Bye!
Hi everyone, hope you're all okay. Miss you.
Hello everyone. It's raining. We're staying at home. Hope to see you soon. Say bye. Bye.
Hello everybody.
Hello everyone, hope you're okay.
Hello everyone, hope you're okay. See you soon.
Baby shark.
Come and visit us at www.singinghands.co.uk.
Five little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 4 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. Four little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 3 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. Three little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 2 green speckled frogs. Glub, glub. Speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there is 1 green speckled frog. Glub, glub. One little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are no green speckled frogs. Glub, glub.
Happy birthday to
I hope you enjoyed the assembly this morning. We'll see you next week in assembly. We'll sing the goodbye song. It's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye everyone, see you next time. Goodbye everyone, see you next time. Bye. Take care.